the last video you saw me using all the mechanical tools, the tube, the pump, the box to do all the flat joints and all the angles. But today I'm using the good old trusty Hawken trowel. So when I do final coat, it isn't just corners, butt joints, it's also touch-ups, and I use my 6-inch taping knife. Spots like right here, it needs to be touched up because yesterday I did the flat joints and the angle, and so it's hard to see in the camera, but there's this little ridge. So basically what I do, put mud on, wipe it down, and now it's nice and smooth, ready for sanding once that dries. I'll show you another spot here. Kind of same thing around this plug. I like to do a touch-up. Basically just for ease of sanding. I like to do little things like this and just make it easier for sanding because nobody likes sanding. If I can make it easier, why not? Again, this connection with the joint to the angle, I'll mud that. Same thing on this side. Another plug, I'll scrape whatever's around that, blow the dust out, mud a nice circle around this guy. So I'll go through this whole unit, I'll do all these sorts of touch-ups. And another thing that I do during final coat is 3 ways or 2 ways. I'm going to scrape off any excess mud on all 3 sides of the wall and ceiling. Then I'm just going to apply some mud, first on the ceiling, wall, other wall, clean off the edges. I'm going to start with the ceiling first. I'm going to get with the corner of my knife right into this corner, fill it with mud, smooth that out, do the same with this wall. One more. And then I have this kind of transition where the angles meet. It's a little bit ugly, so same thing, I'll put mud on one side of the ceiling, other side, clean it off. So that's basically it. I'm just going to go through this whole thing, do all these touch-ups, do all the 3 ways, make this place look nice, ready for sanding. Once I sand it, it's going to be perfect. There's going to be no touch-ups for me to do. Alright, so this is what it looks like when the final coat is completely done. You see the corners are done, butt joints are done, butt joints on the ceilings. Walls are all done. Heading in the bathroom. Joints are done. 2 ways are done. Bedroom. 3 ways in the closets are done. Yeah, I'm glad you watched the video. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment, leave a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.